In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can open the recycle bin here in Windows 11. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you've accidentally deleted a file, you can recover it from the recycle bin. Or if you want to permanently delete files so that they can't be recovered, you can do that as well. But to begin, the recycle bin is mostly located in most desktops up in the top right corner, just like so. I'll go ahead and move it a little bit to the middle of the screen so it's easier to see. Now, essentially what you're going to want to do, if you see it here, just double click it and it'll open it up. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff in here right now, 156 items actually. That's kind of crazy. If you don't see a recycle bin on your desktop, click the search bar at the bottom and just type in recycle bin. And then from here, you can go ahead and open it up just like so. Once you're inside the recycle bin, to recover a file, just simply click on it and then drag it back onto your desktop, or just right click on it. And then from here, you can also just go ahead and hit recover or restore. And to permanently delete any files, simply just go ahead and hit empty recycle bin up at the very top and then hit yes, and you're good to go. It's going to delete all those items, which is going to clean up a decent amount of space for me. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.